Close your eyes for a second. Imagine waking up beside a quiet lake. The morning air is fresh, soft sunlight slowly filling your motorhome through a large panoramic windshield. You stretch comfortably in your bed, no alarm clock, no city noise, just peace. You walk a few steps across your own private living space, and instead of stepping into a cramped RV bathroom, you open the door to a surprisingly spacious shower. Warm water flows, steam rises, and for a moment you forget you're even in a motorhome. This doesn't feel like camping. This feels like home on wheels. And today, we're stepping inside a motorhome that delivers exactly that experience, the Hymer B674 SL, a small luxury full-time RV packed with big comfort, clever hidden features, and one of the most impressive bathrooms you'll find in its size category. From the outside, the Hymer B674 SL looks elegant and confident without being oversized. It's built on a trusted Fiat-based chassis, giving it a smooth driving experience and strong road stability. The body design is clean and aerodynamic, helping with fuel efficiency while also giving it a premium European look. The large panoramic windshield creates a touring coach feel, and the integrated headlights blend beautifully into the front design. This motorhome doesn't scream for attention, it quietly stands out with class. Walk around it and you'll notice smart exterior storage compartments. These aren't random boxes, they're thoughtfully placed for camping chairs, outdoor tables, hoses, tools, and travel gear. Even though this is considered a compact luxury motorhome, it still offers practical storage for full-time living. The side entrance door feels solid, and the electric step makes getting in and out effortless. But the real magic begins the moment you step inside. As you enter, the first thing you notice is how open it feels. The front lounge area is bright, welcoming, and surprisingly spacious. The captain's chairs swivel around smoothly to join the dining area, instantly transforming the cockpit into part of the living room. The dinette table is sturdy and adjustable, perfect for meals, working remotely, or simply relaxing with a cup of coffee. Large side windows and an overhead skylight flood the space with natural light. During the day, you barely need artificial lighting. At night, soft LED lights create a warm and cozy atmosphere. The upholstery feels premium, soft to the touch but durable enough for everyday living. You don't feel cramped. You don't feel like you're in a small vehicle. You feel like you're in a compact luxury apartment. Moving toward the kitchen, you'll immediately see how cleverly the space has been used. The kitchen may not look massive, but it's incredibly functional. You get a 3-burner gas stove, allowing you to cook full meals easily. The stainless steel sink comes with a cover, giving you extra countertop space when needed. And that counter space is more generous than you'd expect in a motorhome of this size. The drawers are deep and solid with soft close mechanisms. They don't rattle, they don't feel cheap. There's space for pots, pans, utensils, and kitchen tools. Overhead cabinets provide extra storage for groceries and dry items. And the tall fridge with a freezer compartment means you can store fresh food for longer trips without worrying about constant resupply. At night, subtle under-cabinet lighting gives the kitchen a modern and luxurious feel. Cooking inside this motorhome doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels comfortable and practical. Now let's talk about the feature that truly sets the Hymer B674 SL apart, the bathroom. In most small motorhomes, the bathroom is the area where compromises are obvious. Tight spaces, tiny showers, limited movement. But here, Hymer has done something impressive. The B674 SL features a separate shower cabin that is genuinely spacious. This is not a cramped plastic corner. It's a proper shower with room to move your arms freely and enough height to stand comfortably. For anyone considering full-time RV living, this is a major advantage. A big shower changes everything. It transforms daily routines into comfortable experiences instead of quick, uncomfortable tasks. Opposite the shower, you have the toilet and sink area. The sink is modern and practical, with storage cabinets below and above. A large mirror adds to the sense of space. But here's the clever part, this layout allows you to close off sections and create a private dressing area. You can separate the bedroom from the front living area, turning the entire middle section into your own private bathroom suite. That's intelligent design. Moving further back, we arrive at the sleeping area. The Hymer B674 SL features twin single beds at the rear, a layout many experienced travelers prefer. Why? because each person gets easy access without climbing over the other. It also allows for better underbed storage. The mattresses are thick and supportive, designed for long-term comfort. Overhead cabinets provide space for clothes and personal belongings. Under the beds, you'll find large storage compartments for larger items like bedding, seasonal clothes, or even outdoor gear. If you prefer a larger sleeping space, there's often an option to convert the twin beds into one large king-size bed. That flexibility is perfect for couples who want both options. Above the driver's cabin, you'll also find a drop-down bed. It lowers smoothly and feels stable and secure. This makes the motorhome suitable for up to 4 people without sacrificing the main living space during the day. Comfort doesn't stop at layout. Hymer is known for high-quality insulation and solid construction. The B674 SL is built for all-season travel. Whether you're parked in summer heat or exploring colder mountain regions, the interior temperature remains comfortable. The heating system distributes warmth evenly, and the water tanks are well insulated for winter use. The walls feel solid and well built. There's no cheap or flimsy feeling here. Everything feels carefully assembled with attention to detail. Imagine parking near the ocean for a week. Cooking your favorite meals in your own kitchen. Taking a proper hot shower every morning. Sleeping comfortably every night. Working from the dinette during the day and watching sunsets through your panoramic windshield in the evening. Because it's compact, you can access smaller campsites and narrower roads that larger motorhomes struggle with. You get freedom without sacrificing comfort. Now I want to hear from you. If you were choosing your dream motorhome, would a spacious shower be at the top of your list? And do you prefer twin beds or a large king-size layout? Let me know in the comments below. To sum it all up, the Hymer B674 SL offers a premium compact exterior, a bright and flexible lounge area, a functional and stylish kitchen, one of the biggest showers in its category, comfortable sleeping options, all-season insulation, and intelligent storage solutions designed for real full-time living. It may not be the largest motorhome on the road, but it might be one of the smartest designs ever created in the compact luxury segment. Picture yourself tomorrow morning in a new destination. Mountains outside your window, coffee brewing in your kitchen, a hot shower ready whenever you need it, your home moving with you wherever you go. That's the lifestyle the Hymer B674 SL offers, a freedom with comfort, adventure with stability, travel without compromise. If you enjoyed this detailed tour, make sure to like this video, share it with someone dreaming of RV life, and subscribe for more in-depth motorhome reviews just like this. And until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next one.